Why are dolphins considered as the smartest marine mammals? Why are dolphins closer to humans? Dolphins are biologically closer to humans than many other animals in some ways, particularly because both species are mammals and share a common ancestor within the larger group called Cetacea, which includes whales, dolphins, and even some land mammals like pigs and hippos. Here are some key points about their evolutionary closeness. Shared mammalian traits. Dolphins and humans are both mammals, which means they share characteristics like warm-bloodedness, hair, though minimal in dolphins, and giving live birth. Cetacean lineage. Dolphins belong to the cetacean family, which evolved from land mammals. Their ancestors were terrestrial creatures that adapted over millions of years to aquatic life. Genetic similarity. Genetic studies show that dolphins are quite genetically similar to other mammals, including humans, more so than fish or reptiles. Some analyses suggest that the DNA of dolphins may share a significant percentage of similarity with humans, especially in certain genes related to brain development, brain and intelligence. Dolphins have large complex brains with high intelligence, and their brain structure has some similarities to ours, especially regarding social behavior and communication. Common ancestors. The closest common ancestors between humans and dolphins lived hundreds of millions of years ago, before the divergence of the mammalian lineage into different groups. In summary, dolphins are closer to humans than many other animals, because they are both mammals and share a relatively recent common ancestor in the evolutionary timeline, compared to even more distantly related animals like fish or reptiles. Dolphins appear to love playing with humans for several fascinating reasons, rooted in their natural behavior, intelligence, and social nature. Here are some key points that might explain this behavior. 1. High intelligence and curiosity. Dolphins are among the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their curiosity drives them to explore and interact with new stimuli, including humans. Playing is a natural way for dolphins to learn about their environment and test new objects or beings. 2. Social nature. Dolphins are highly social animals that form tight-knit groups called pods. Play is an essential part of social bonding within groups, and they often develop their skills in navigation, hunting, and social interactions. When they play with humans, it might be an extension of their playful nature and a way to practice their agility and problem-solving skills. 4. Mutual benefit and enrichment. Interactions with humans can be stimulating and enriching. For dolphins, they enjoy the novelty and the challenge, and some researchers think this mutual engagement benefits their mental health. 5. Positive reinforcement. In environments where dolphins are regularly fed or interacted with by humans, they may associate humans with positive outcomes like food and attention, encouraging further playful interactions. 6. Natural playfulness. Dolphins are naturally playful creatures. Their love for playing isn't just with humans, but also with other animals, objects, and each other. Their playful behavior is a vital part of their cultural and social lives. 7. Genetic dispositions. Some scientists suggest that their playful attitude might be partly rooted in their genetics, designed to promote social bonds, learning, and problem-solving within their groups. Summary. In essence, dolphins love to play with humans because they are highly intelligent, curious, social animals that enjoy exploring and engaging in playful activities. These interactions can be deeply satisfying for them and enrich their lives, just as play does for humans. Dolphins' remarkable intelligence, echolocation capabilities, and social behaviors have inspired numerous innovative applications in technology. Researchers and engineers have looked to dolphins as models for advancing underwater exploration, communication, and even artificial intelligence. Here are some of the most notable innovative applications influenced by dolphin traits. Key studies on dolphin intelligence. 1. Self-awareness and mirror test experience. In a famous experiment, dolphins demonstrated self-awareness by recognizing themselves in mirrors. Implication: this ability is considered an indicator of high cognitive function and consciousness, shared with humans, great apes, and elephants. Study example: researchers observed dolphins using mirrors to inspect parts of their bodies they cannot normally see, indicating self-recognition. 2. Language and vocal communication. Signature whistles. Dolphins develop unique whistles that function similar to names. Research: studies show that dolphins can assign specific whistles to individuals and respond appropriately, demonstrating an understanding of identity and communication. Key study: In experiments, dolphins learned to produce specific sounds to refer to objects or request actions, hinting at a vowel language. 3. Problem solving and tool use. Example: some dolphins use marine sponges as tools to protect their noses while foraging on the rocky seafloor. Significance: tool use is rare in aquatic mammals and indicates advanced problem-solving skills. 4. Cultural transmission. Observation: different groups of dolphins exhibit specific behaviors such as unique hunting techniques passed down through generations. Impact: this social learning underscores their complex social structures and cultural behaviors. Dolphins in research and conservation. Scientific research, neuroanatomy, and cognition. Studies of dolphin brains provide insights into neural structures responsible for cognition, social behaviors, and communication. Echolocation studies. Research on how dolphins use echolocation informs sonar technology, enhancing underwater navigation and object detection. Genetic and evolutionary research. Comparing dolphin genomes with other mammals reveals how adaptive traits evolved for aquatic life. Monitoring ecosystem health. Dolphins are sentinel species. Their population health indicates broader ocean health. Protection laws. Many countries have enacted laws banning hunting and protecting dolphin habitats. Rescue and rehabilitation. Organizations rescue stranded dolphins, treat injuries, and release them back into the wild. Dolphin-assisted therapy. Some therapeutic programs claim dolphins help improve emotional well-being and social skills, especially in children with autism. However, ethical debates exist regarding the welfare of the animals involved. Innovative applications inspired by dolphins. 1. Sonar and underwater navigation technologies. Bio-inspired sonar systems. Dolphins use sophisticated echolocation to detect objects, navigate, and hunt in murky waters. Engineers have developed bio-inspired sonar systems that mimic dolphin echolocation to improve underwater navigation, obstacle avoidance, and object detection. Applications. These sonar systems are used in submarines, underwater drones, and autonomous underwater vehicles (AUVs), especially in complex or low-visibility environments. 2. Underwater robotics and autonomous vehicles. Dolphin-like robots. Robotic systems modeled after dolphins are being developed for environmental monitoring, search and rescue operations, and marine research. Features: these robots employ echolocation sensors for navigation and obstacle avoidance, much like dolphins do. Benefits: they can operate in environments where humans cannot go safely, and mimic dolphin agility and stealth. 3. Communication technologies and signal processing. Bio-inspired communication protocols. Dolphins use complex vocalizations and signals for communication. Researchers analyze these to develop better speech recognition and acoustic communication systems. Application: improving underwater acoustic communication networks to transmit data over long distances without interference. Useful in submarine communications or ocean monitoring. 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Learning algorithms. Dolphin communication, problem-solving, and social behavior have inspired AI models that focus on social learning, adaptive behaviors, and problems. Examples: AI systems that mimic dolphin communication patterns can potentially be used for human-machine interactions, autonomous decision-making, or ecological data analysis. 5. Medical imaging and acoustic technology. Ultrasound advancements. Understanding dolphin echolocation has contributed to improving ultrasound technology for medical imaging. The high frequency and resolution of dolphin echolocation are similar to sophisticated ultrasound devices. 6. Environmental monitoring and marine conservation. Detection of oceanic features. Echolocation-inspired sensors help track plankton blooms, oil leaks, or marine debris, aiding conservation efforts. Sensor networks. Distributed acoustic sensor networks inspired by dolphin echolocation enable the real-time monitoring of large marine areas. 7. Security and military applications. Stealth and detection. Dolphins' ability to stealthily navigate and detect objects has led to developments in underwater surveillance, mine detection, and submarine stealth technology. Comparison to other marine mammals. Orcas, killer whales, a close relative of dolphins, also highly intelligent, with complex social structures and hunting strategies. Elephants, chimpanzees, and great apes, among land mammals. These species display similar levels of intelligence, but in the aquatic environment, Dolphins are unmatched. Yes, dolphins are most widely regarded as the smartest marine mammals, due to their remarkable cognitive abilities. Their intelligence is a product of their complex brains, social structures, communication systems, and adaptable behaviors.